This is how to draw a cat. Take a piece of paper. Now, you draw a circle and another circle. Yay! We've almost done half. Now, we add some legs and some more legs. Yay! Now let's add some claws. Oh, simple. Yay! We're almost done. Now we're going to go onto his face. Now, I'm not going to be too complicated with the eyes, but you could be. Now I'm going to erase this because we don't want a mouth with that. Okay. Now let's make the nose and make a good smile. And now the fun part. And yay! Look at our pretty cat. But we forgot one thing. A tail. And now your CAT is done. Bye.